We have therefore moved from a period of sustained containment where the positivity rate was below 5%. The country is now in its third wave of the COVID pandemic. The positivity rates have consistently increased since December 11th, from a weekly average positivity of 0.9 to 3.9 in the second week of December, to 11.4 in the third week of December, and to 23.3 in the last week of December to the first week of January 2022. The country has moved to this new transmission wave due to factors such as limited adherence to standard operating procedures in most of the places, crowding in social places, especially during the festive season, misconception that once vaccinated, standard operating procedures no longer apply, and abuse of the requirements to isolate when found positive for COVID-19. This recent development has taught us that the more we continue to downplay and act outside the guidelines issued by the Ministry of Health, the more we will continue to be inflicted by COVID-19 and to suffer all the disruptions from returning to our normal lives.
Although there is, we see the feature of the new variants to be mild, it's still here. For the first time in the last 1 week, we have picked more than 1 million cases. Where in the first, second, third global peaks, we have never had a single day records as high as this. And for the first time, we had more than 2.6 million cases in a single day globally. And we are approaching almost 300 million people infected. And in the last 24 hours, more than 8,000 people have globally died. So what I wanted to emphasize is because there is a higher infection, we see people getting sick and dying almost at the rate which we used to see in some of the previous peaks.